It's here.
Explaindio Video Creator
Version 2.0. New sketch scene. Sprite animation. Green screen effect.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's a quick tutorial on the sprite animation. Now check this out. Nice little vacation video with the fish that comes flying in, and now that fish, if you don't recognize it, is actually an SVG that's in the library. So we're going to show you how to recreate this effect right now. First, let's just create. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rick from ProSlidePacks.com. Got a quick one for you. Check it out. Have you ever been working on a project and you say, well, you need some video, right? Well, with Explaindio 2.0, you have available to you the free video footage module right here. So I'm working on this Roofers Association, and I need some roofer video just real quick. So click up here and just type in roofers. And there is my roofing video. So now, when I run the slide, and as you can see over here under video, I'm unchecking the add audio from video to turn off the sound. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Free video footage module allows you to search for videos, and then you can curate those videos right here on the There's a transition. Video is the background video to the scene. Another transition, more background video, and then on top of that, it's being drawn SWF objects. That is a video masking template I'm playing with. Now here's a image being drawn. Then the transition happens to another background video and objects drawn on top of that. That's how we're getting the fluid motion. Okay, and another transition. Now this is video I got from the royalty-free video module, and I popped that in the screen, then blew it up. Now I'm going to have another transition out of that into another background video with an SWF drawn on top of that.